Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, I know it's been long you guys heard my voice here. So sorry about that. So this is my first time doing a skincare routine with my face. First, I start by washing my face with my facial cleanser to remove dirt and excess oil. After rinsing, I gently pat my face dry using a clean soft towel. I'm making sure not to rub too harshly on my skin. Next, I go with my toner. I'm using my beauty formula for face tonic and apply it even across my face to help tighten my pores and refresh my skin. Once that is fully absorbed, I follow up with my face serum. I apply a few drops and gently massage it into my skin, allowing it to nourish and hydrate deeply. And that's it. Simply, clean and effective skincare routine. Bye. Catch you guys later.